Hello, guys. This is going to be the last part of your web design training because in this video, this training, I'm going to show you. We've learned so far how to generate fake names. We've learned so far how the tools and resources that we need. We've also learned how to install WordPress directly. We also learn how to buy domain and access your cPanel. We also learned how to clone a website, okay? But this video is going to be different, right? Because in this video, I'll show you how to make your WordPress website beautiful. I'll show you where you can add colors, how to get shapes, how to, beautify, upload images. So if you don't know how we got to this place, I made a video on my channel about how to install WordPress correctly and explain some features in the cPanel. So it's very necessary that you go back and watch that video. Yes. So this is the WordPress admin dashboard. After installing your WordPress, you can now go on and click on the admin dashboard and it will bring you here. When you get to this place, this is the dashboard. Post, media, pages, comments, appearances. Okay, appearances is where you can select your theme. Appearance is where you can select your theme. As you can see, this theme here is not fine. I don't like it. I don't like this theme here. I normally make use of, let me search it. Hello Elementor. I make use of this theme because it does not give me troubles, right? So some of these themes are not working well. Yes, they are not working well. So on a very good day, you can just try it out and know the ones that are working well for you. I'll just click on install. We'll now choose a theme. Don't worry, we're still going to activate all these things. So after choosing a theme that you like, come back down to this plugin. The page builder we'll be using to design this website is Elementor. It's called Elementor. They have DV, they have DV, they have where WP Bakery, but Elementor is the easiest because you can just drag and drop images, right? So I'll click on add new plugin, then I'm going to search Elementor. It's going to load and bring out Elementor for us. Can you see that? Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. So click on install to install it. So it's going to install Elementor for us. You just have to wait. Awesome. can go ahead and click on activate. Let's activate the plugin. Awesome. Just skip all of this. Can you see that? Well, I'm not going to design anything right now. So we've successfully installed Elementor, right? Let's go back to our WordPress admin and install one more plugin. You also have to install another plugin called Starter Templates. Come to plugins, just like as you did with the Elementor. Come to plugin, add new plugin, search starter. Look at it here, starter templates. We'll install it as well. These starter templates, sometimes they give you already designed websites, already designed section that you can make use of on your website, beautify it, add color, and design it the way you like. Sorry. We'll still go ahead and do what? Click on activate. This Elementor starter template, you can use it to design any kind of website you want to design, right? Click on activate. So maybe when you are free or you have a free time, you can also try out the Divi Builder, the Beaver Builder, WP Bakery. Okay, so you just play around with it. Awesome. So we are going to create our home page right now. Come to these pages, click on pages. As you can see, we don't have any home page here. So click on add new page. This is going to be the page we are going to work on, right? I can decide to name it home. So this is going to be my home page. This is going to be my home page. Click on publish and publish again. Beautiful. So we can decide to view the page. As you can see, the page is looking, it's not looking fine, it's looking ugly. But don't worry, by the end of this training, we are going to fill it up. Go back to there is a very important settings that you do before you start designing a new website. After creating this home page here, the next thing you have to do is come down to these settings in your dashboard here, then click on general settings. Okay, that's it. Then click on reading. Can you see that? So here the website is directing to post. So we want to make it to redirect to our home page so that whenever somebody visit the link, they are going to see the home page. So this is where you make the settings. can now use this as sample page. Or if you have a blog, you can use this post page as your blog page. Then after that, click on save changes. When you save the changes, come to this pages again, click on it. Then this your home page that we created. As you can see, is now our front page here. Click on view. Then click on edit page. Okay, we've not activated our theme. Remember the hello elementor theme that we wanted to use. Look at it here. So I'll click on activate to activate it. Awesome. Can you see that it's now active here? It's now active. I can choose to delete this. Let's just delete all these things here. Awesome. So we are now left with our page, right? So we'll go back to our pages, click on edit. Let's start working on our front page so that you see how to make use of this Elementor and all that. So you click on edit with Elementor. Awesome. So this is the widgets that we'll be using to design our websites. The container, the grid, heading, image, text. I'll show you people how all these things works. So this is the Elementor Pro. For you to access these features here, you have to install the Elementor Pro. If you need access to the Elementor Pro, chat me up. I'll give you access to this Elementor Pro. Okay, I'm going to give you access to the Elementor Pro. So you see, some is locked. You can't make use of these ones, but these ones that are not locked is what we'll be working on today. Okay, so I don't want to see all this. I don't like working with all these things here. So when you are here, click on this block icon is to add shapes of different size. You can add shapes, box, grid. That's what this thing is working. So this one here is a template. If you have a saved template, or sometimes Elementor will provide free templates for you. So if you like it, you can use it. If you don't like it, you can just leave it. As you can see, all of it is locked because we are not using Elementor Pro. But if I add my Elementor Pro to this website now, I'm able to make use of it. Okay, see, can make use of it. Can make use of it. So this is the templates. This is a AI, but I don't recommend you use this, or you want, unless you want the AI to design the website for you. Right? You tell it what to do, and it will do it for you. So this is the starter templates. You can get a full design page here and customize it, or you can even get shapes and blocks. Can you see that? Can you see that? So if I want to, let me say I want to add a section on my website. If I want to add a section on my website, section like features of our website, if I just click on this here, can you see that? I'll click on import block. So this is going to import this thing you are seeing here to my own website, and I can change the images, the text, everything. You can change it, even the color. You can still add your own color if you want. So this is basically how this starter template works. They provide already designed page, home page, about us. So all you have to do, so WordPress is one of the easiest ways to design a website. Yes, because it's all about drag and drop, and some of the features have already been given to you. Can you see it? Awesome. Please, I hope you are learning, brother. So as a WordPress web designer, you see, you can just charge your clients 300K, 500K, and just come here and be playing around with it. Okay? And at the end of the day, they are going to pay your complete money. Yes, because it's not easy. They should do it themselves if it's easy. Okay? So can you see you can change all these things if you click on this feature one, you can name it think technology, think tech. Are you seeing that as you are working on it, it's showing immediately. You can be seeing what you are doing. Unlike coding, after coding, you go and check. So this is just you just calm down, sit down, and be playing around with it. Work it the way you're going to enjoy it, right? The way your client wants it. If you want to change this text, the same thing. Click on it here. Click on it. Think Tech is the number one web design and digital marketing company. Can you see that I've shown here? The same thing with this. Can you see that? Same thing with this. So if you want to add color, come to style here. Can you see this? This is the text color. I can decide to change the text color to blue. Yes, I can decide to change the text color to blue. And the one I click is going to change to blue. Can you see that? The same thing I can do this. So for me to get a uniform color, let me copy the color code here. Can you see the color code here? This place my mouse is pointing. Just right click on it and copy it. So when you come here now, click on style as well. So how to change this is how to change colors. This is how to change colors. Okay. Also images, you can still change the images. You can right click on it here, choose image, any image that you like. And just decide to just upload anything, right? Have you seen that? So the same thing here, you can change this picture as well. Just click in, what you'll be doing is just to click Anything you want to change, click on it, you see where to change it. Anything you want to change, click on it, you see where to change it. So that's basically about WordPress Elementor designing, right? It's click and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. So just play around with all these things. You see that it's very easy, right? And you can just follow the same method and do that. Can you see that our ugly website is now, we are now adding shapes and images to it. Okay, so that's it about the starter templates. That's it about the starter templates. So, but like I said, we are going to start everything from scratch to the end. We don't want to use another already made website. Okay, so when you come to this page that you want to edit with Elementor, click on this plus icon here to add a new container. When you click on it, you choose the type of shape you want. You choose the type of shape you want. Can you see that? So since this is our hero, so I'm going to make use of this. I'm going to make use of this. So can you see this is where you can change the width, you can change the width, you can adjust the height, adjust the height of the container. Can you see that? Can you see it's at zero now? So if you increase it, as you're increasing it, the size is increasing, right? Can you see that? So that's it about this. As you're increasing it, it's increasing. So let me reduce it to more. It's a bit high. The height is a bit high. So I think this is okay, right? So if you want to add image to this, if you want to add image to this section, you can just click on this style here. Click on style here. See this background. Click on this classic, and you can choose your image or color. Let me say I want to color this red. Can you see it? Can you see? So you just choose any color you want, and it's going to be your background color. But if you want to make use of images, if you want to make use of image, you can just select image here. Let me make use of this image. So this image is not going to show because I've already used color. But I can just go ahead here and reset this color here. Awesome. Can you see that? Can add more grid. Let's go ahead and delete it. So I don't want to make use of it. I don't want to make use of it. Right? So let me say I want to add heading to what I'm doing. You can just drag it here, drop. Sorry, the height is too much. You can delete, just right click on it if you want to delete it. Let's adjust this height a little bit. So if you want to edit any container, just click on here. It's going to bring it out for you to edit it. So the minimum height should be, I think this is okay for minimum height. So it's basically drag and drop. If I want to add image into this, I'll just click on it and I'll click to drag this and put it inside here, right? And I can now go ahead and add image. So can you see how this thing works? Can you see how it works? I can now click on it. If I want to delete it, just go ahead here and delete it. Right? Same as well. If you don't want, if you are running out of time and doing all these things is going to be hard for you, just come to this starter template here. Come to this page. Then let's filter this so that you can only have the free ones available. Can you see? Let me go ahead and use this one. The home page. Install required plugin and import. So it's going to import this beautiful front page for us. Can you see that within 30 minutes you are done? So it's going to install all the required plugins and import the theme. Import that page. Okay, let's do this again. Beautiful. Excellent. Can you see that? Can you see that we already have a new homepage? But this thing, they did not import everything. They did not import everything. Can you see that? It did not import everything. But we can choose to delete it and do it again and delete it one after the other. So let's do that again. Let me refresh. So this is a text editor. Let me say I want to create a heading. I just drag it and drop here. This will be my heading, right? So we can I've shown you how to change these colors right here. So but the easiest way to view the site remains when you click on this stator, come to these blocks here, and we're going to use hero. If you want to create about us, look at it here. And just choose to import this. Import blocks. So you just import the blocks and change the colors and text. So to change this background color, you can right click on this, the center here, click on style. As you can see, the color here is black. So you click on it. You can make it red, you can make it black, and make it white. But if you make it white, the text will not be showing. So also change to green. So you just go ahead and play around with it. Hmm, right? Even this call to action color, you can change it. Can you see that? So you just have to, you can even move it around and move it to the right, and move it to the center, and move it to the left. So you can change the color here. Can you see it? So you need to just play around with all these things. So anyone you click on, you can be able to edit it, right? Can you see that the page is now looking? Can you also change this text? So let me say I want to add another section. I'll just follow the same method. Click on starter templates here. Click on blocks, services. You can choose different styles you want. There are so many styles you can make use of. So like I said, you just go ahead and play around with it. Can you see that it has imported that block for us? Can you see that? So you can change all these things here. If you don't like this, you can just delete it. Are you seeing that? Now I've deleted that. The text, you can change it. Let me say you want to change the text, this text font, the typography, right? Click on content. See the typography here. You can choose as you are changing it, it's changing here. Can you see that? So that's it about changing colors. So I'll just leave it on Roboto. Roboto. Right. This You can change it to. So let's work on the contact us. Click on this. Click on blocks. So you have to learn how to be smart, and that's what I'm showing you. How to be smart for you to have enough productivity and finish websites on time. Because that's our one more thing. So contact form. I think I like this one. Just go ahead and click on import, and it's going to import it for you. Yeah, Ego Ibo. In our fitness coach. It's serious. So, alright, so. So can you see that our site is now coming together? So you just go ahead, play around with it, and that's it, right? So as you can see, you have different types of this thing for you that's already been provided for you. You can even add testimonial from happy clients. Can you see it? Beautiful. Can you see that? So just go ahead, walk through it one after the other. So there are some terms I want to explain. This is the layout. This is where determines how your website is going to look like. So if you come to this style, this is where you can add background pictures or colors or hover images or hover colors, background overlay. Can you see that? So image If you want to add background image, this is where you do it. Background overlay, this is where you do it. Let me show you what an overlay looks like. Overlay is just for mixture of colors and yeah. So this is the border. If you want to make the edge, you can just unlink this, put the top 10 and the bottom 10. So can you see that? Look at this edge now. The border have curved and curve here too. So you can do it if you want. So that's it about border. Okay, I'll make this one 100. So you see it. Can you see that it's now giving our border some curve? So you can just reduce it so that it's not to not look too much. Just like I said, play around with it, and when you are done, click on publish here. So the advanced, awesome. So this is the margin. You can increase or decrease the margin if you want. Then padding is, for instance, after creating a website, you find out that there are a lot of space here, right? You find out there are a lot of space down. So with padding, you can use to cover up some spaces. Like, so this is the top. Let me check the top. Are you seeing that? It's now bringing down the stuff. So padding is just used to cover up spaces that make the site ugly. No, I don't want to add padding. I think it's okay like this. So that's it about padding. Emotions, motions effects. For instance, when you enter a website, you see something like let me say fading. It will come out like this. So you just choose fading right. It will, so that whenever someone enter our website, it's going to load to the left, right. So fading up. So these are different animations that you can add to beautify the site. Are you seeing that? So there are many of them. You just go ahead and choose the one you like. Don't add it too much so that the site will not look childish. And make sure you maintain consistent animation. It's not when you use a sliding left from one, you use sliding right to one. So make sure you use a uniform effect animation to make the site beautiful. So guys, that's it about how to create page. So this is the home page. You can just, if you want to create the about us page, all you have to do is let me save this. Please make sure that anything you are working on, after working on it, click on publish here. So when you publish here, you can view what you have done here. Beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see how the site is going to look like? So after playing with it, just make sure you publish. So let's go back here. Let me show you. This is the home page. You can just go ahead and create as many pages as you like the contact us page, the about us, the services, right? So you can create many other pages that you like here. All you have to do is just add new page and that's it. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll provide support. So all you need is a action. passion for this work, consistency, practice. Anything you see, practice it for as many time as possible so that even when you wake up from your bed, you can be able to do something for your client and you collect your money. So that's it. In the online space, for you to make a lot of money, you have to be smart. Okay, there is a one website that I delivered. I delivered this website a night before delivery date. Why? Because I'm already used to this. I just come, drag and drop, and that's it. And I'll collect my money. Okay. So contact us if you want to create contact us page. So publish, and there it is. So take your lessons seriously. Watch it all over again. Make sure that you master all these steps, techniques, adding color, dragging, importing themes. They are going to help you a lot. Okay, this is going to bring us to the end of our training.